I'm afraid nothing is going to top this siguro when it comes to quality beef or hanwoo for a Korean grill. Hanwoo here in the Philippines, this is probably our most expensive lunch so far this year, and it's all worth it. Been dreaming of hanwoo since forever and didn't get to try this when I was in Korea. Grabe, because it was super expensive. Buti na lang we have Giwon here in the Philippines. Sabi ko nga, one of our best meals so far this year. And strong contender to sa top 10 ko this 2025. I mean, for me, this really is the ultimate Korean grill experience, at least for beef. So we availed one of the core sets, the Wagyu Omakase, na good for 4 to 5. It already includes a choice of soup, white rice, banchan, steamed egg, and the dessert of the day. So the Wagyu Omakase, of course, is a showcase of different Wagyu cuts. And sourced siya from all over the world. So it's a good mix of lean and fattier Wagyu cuts. And you can really tell the difference between each of the meat courses. Depende na talaga kung anong prefer mo. Like for me and RC, we prefer the leaner ones, while my kuyas naman prefer the fattier ones. So we really enjoyed both cuts naman. You're going to ask me if Giwon Steakhouse is worth the splurge. For me, ito talaga yung peak Samgyup experience. Samgyup, sabi nga nating mga Pinoys. And minsan, nag-50 off sila. So abang-abang nyo yan. Enjoy!